A 2.4 and 4.9-meter tiny home on wheels featuring a mass composition of Scandinavian home design. This tiny house has its own distinct exterior and interior design thanks to its wraparound black painted wood panels and prominent interior finish with natural wood texture. The intriguing thing about this tiny house is that the designer chose to leave the front room as a small hallway instead of using the entire space as a living area. This hallway doubles as an outside terrace and it's equipped with semi-outdoor bar table and bench. The intriguing aspect of this tiny house's interior design is how well the furniture, fixture, and other home items are arranged within the area. Despite its modest size, this tiny house may nevertheless be made to be as functional as possible by taking into account both of the ergonomics of the design and a variety of normal resident space requirements. This small house loft bed section is located above the restroom and kitchen services area. Naturally, there are a lot of useful and efficient use for the area above this room, which makes it rather intriguing. A single bed or cot with a width of 1.2 meter can fit in the loft bed space. Furthermore, their loft bed area can still fit a queen-size mattress, but because of the space restricted with it will be less functional and much narrower. Therefore, the user in this situation must carefully arrange the furnishing in tiny house by modifying the availability capacity. There are obstacles associated with using a tiny house, like possible dispute with the surrounding region, but they can be avoided by moving into a tiny house community in your area. This will reduce the likelihood of conflict with the environment because living in a community offers many advantages like the freedom to use local land and the ability to support one another through day-to-day challenges like tiny house operation issues. Though these are rare because a tiny house is actually an affordable and low maintenance form of residence. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.